Hi everybody, my name is Karen and I am the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can I do with a major in biology. Now this is for students who are interested in majoring or pursuing a major within the biological sciences. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. We have biological sciences, which is biology in general. We have biochemistry, which is biology and chemistry merged together. Then we have biophysics, which is biology and physics merged together. Biotechnology, of course, biology and technology. We have botany, genetics, microbiology, nutrition, and zoology. Why study biology? First, biology helps us understand the world around us and our role in it. That is, you'll be able to learn about different kinds of environments, different kinds of animals, even the human body as well. Allows biologists to make discoveries to improve the quality of human life. As a biology major, as I mentioned before, you'll be learning about the human body and the environment overall. So you'll be able to make discoveries and maybe do some research about the quality of human life. And finally, helps professionals how to treat diseases, grow crops efficiently, create diets, and come up with safe exercise routines. That is for people who are interested in becoming a doctor, improving the health of the human's life. Now let's move on to why study biology part 2. You should consider studying biology if first, you love animals. That is, maybe you're interested in becoming a veterinarian. Maybe you're interested in pursuing a major such as zoology. You want to become a doctor or a veterinarian, as I mentioned before, you can become a doctor with a major in biology because you'll be completing a lot of the pre-medical courses required for medical school as well. You want to cure cancer. This goes for anybody who is interested in becoming a doctor as well. You're fascinated by forensic scientists. That is, maybe biology can help you discover a lot of forensic science as well. You like solving real-world problems. That is, in a major in biology, you'll be able to learn about a variety of things that happen around the world and why everything happens in the world as well. You're passionate about sustainability. That is, you're a person who cares about the environment and wants to learn more about the environment and how to keep it safe. And finally, you are interested in nutrition. This goes for anybody who is interested in a nutrition major and wants to improve the quality of a human life. What can you do with a biology degree? There are a variety of things that you can do with this degree. Most students will concentrate their study on a biology subfield like biochemistry. As I mentioned before, it's a merge between biology and chemistry, ecology, genetics, and molecular biology. Now, these are just some examples. Of course, there are a variety of different subfields that you can pursue in biology. Since a lot of biology majors plan to do research, they end up enrolled in graduate or medical school. That is, in order to do research, you're going to be required to have a doctoral degree, also known as a PhD. And if you want to be a doctor, of course, a biology degree helps you complete those pre-medical courses required to enter medical school as well. All right, in this slide, I will walk you through different careers that you can pursue as a biology major. Careers in biology are in higher education, food, pharmaceuticals, energy, agriculture, and of course, the most common, healthcare. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.